Hi, I'm Mallory Brooke, makeup artist and content creator here on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how I get the most perfect bun for my short hair. You're seeing it now. I posted this on Instagram and actually had quite a few questions on how I even got my hair in a bun. Honestly, it's all about height and placement. You want to get the perfect positioning. You do not want to just assume you need to put in your bun as low as possible because your hair is short. If you put your bun in low, then the top layers are going to fall out because the top layers are really what's longest, but they're still short. So all you have in your elastic now is the short part of your hair. On the opposite side of the coin, you can put your bun in too high, and then you'll have straggles on the underneath that are too short to reach where the longer part of your hair can reach in the elastic. So really what you want to do is find the perfect middle ground, not too high, not too low. And if your hair is this length, then imagine about an inch from the nape of your neck to where you put your bun in. So what you want to do is take your clear elastic. All you're going to need is a clear elastic and some bobby pins that are the color, the shade of your hair. My hair is blonde, so I'm using blonde bobby pins. You want to put it right, not too high, not too low, about an inch from the nape of your neck. If your hair is currently my length, if it is longer, then you can go a little lower or a little higher, but this is perfect for mid-neck hair lengths, okay? So then you are going to take your hair and put your hair in a tiny little bun, okay? You don't want to spread it out too much and tighten that bun too much because then you're going to have your hair popping out. So just tighten it just a little bit, and then you're going to take the two edges of the bun and have them meet right underneath each other. This is very important because by pinching those two sides and bringing them underneath, you are forming the shape of the bun, and you're going to connect those and have them not stick out to the sides. So take your bobby pin and go ahead and jackknife your bobby pin in. So take your bobby pin, go towards the left side of the head, and then back up the bun. This will secure the bun even without hairspray. The next step, you want to take either side of the bun and you want to take what's left and pinch that and pull it just a little bit to the side and secure it with your bobby pin. So now we're starting to create, as you can see, a bun. Instead of like a tiny little bun, we're kind of faking like we have a little more hair and giving yourself a bigger bun than you could naturally technically have. So then you want to do the same on the other side. Just pinch that side of the hair and secure it with your bobby pin. Last step in forming the actual shape of the bun, you're going to take what is remaining on the top to cover the clear elastic, and you're going to take those two little pinches and meet them at the top of the bun and secure that with the bobby pin. So you're getting kind of this, kind of faked voluminous bun. So it looks like you have more hair. It doesn't look like you have a little nub. It actually looks like a bun in the end. Now you can decide to leave front pieces out like I have left front pieces out, or this bun does work without leaving the front pieces out. This is just exactly what I did in that Instagram post. You may like the look of sticky outy parts, very 90s, but if you want to smooth that down, go ahead and take something like a pomade. I absolutely love the Kevin Murphy Super Goo Rubbery Sculpting Gel, so that's what I'm using today. I'm just taking a tiny little fingertip of it and I'm smoothing down my part area. So this gives you just a nice kind of cleaned up, sleek look to the bun. Really, the tiny little details and updos for short hair is where it's at. So go ahead and lay any type of frizzies or sticky outies on the part of your top of your head, lay them down with a pomade, and then take what's remaining on your fingertips, warm it up a little more, and then smooth down the parts that want to stick out, frizz out, whatever you want to call it, smooth those down. And then you're just gonna finish with your favorite Stronghold hairspray. Mine is the Kevin Murphy Session Spray Stronghold Flexible Spray. You can brush through this at the end of the night and it doesn't rip out your hair. I've used this for years, but use whatever works for you, a Stronghold hairspray, and you're good to go. And that is how I get a really nice actual bun for my short bob. It is such a good place to be when you can finally put your hair up when it's short and get it all out of your face and do something different. And that's where I'm at. That's the stage I'm at. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. We'd love to have you in this positive, beautiful, wonderful community. If you have any other hair tutorial requests for short hair, please leave them in the comments. You never know when I may actually film your video requests like I did today from Instagram. And if you haven't, you can hop on Instagram and follow me at I'm Mallory Brooke, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy short hairing.
All right.